I found a natural way to stay balanced. Zainutra Panch Tulsi Drops. Just a few drops give me the power of 5 Tulsi varieties: Marua, Kala, Rama, Nimbu, and Biswa Tulsi, all packed with antioxidants and adaptogens. It helps boost my immunity, clears my breathing, supports my skin, digestion, and even helps me detox gently. I just add a couple of drops to water or tea, up to 5 times a day. It's my go-to for cold, cough, and daily stress relief. 100% natural, no additives, just pure Tulsi. Zainutra Panch Tulsi Drops. Nature's defense in every drop.